Hello and welcome to this series of videos related to tools for product manager, product owner and project manager. We're looking at proto.io. It's a user design prototyping tool where look and feel. You can get a free account, can't afford any of the pounds above. You'll be able to convert to the plan of your choice when the trial expires. Prototype without coding, which will look like the real thing. You can preview in Player, so you can preview in proto.io app. You can share, comment, have user feedback in video form, powered by lookback, export into HTML, PNG and PDF, branding, Dropbox sync, and you can import from Sketch, Photoshop with the relevant subscription. You've got the 250-bit encryption of the website, so when you're designing nobody else can actually see it, and you also get email support. So a number of different ranges of in this account. We've got monthly billing, so you've got freelancers $29 a month, one user, 5 active products. So you've got $49 a month, there's 2 users and 10 projects. Agency, 5 users and 15 active projects. Corporate is $199 a month, and you've got 10 users and 30 active projects. So please like, comment and share this video. I'm aiming to do a more in-depth demonstration of this particular tool, so please follow or subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.